We're going to explain why you might see the could not build wheels for Pyarrow error and how to fix it. This often pops up when installing the Pyarrow library, which is crucial for working with data in Python. The error essentially means that Python can't create the necessary files, wheels, to use Pyarrow on your system. This is usually due to missing build tools or incompatible dependencies. Let's look at the common causes and solutions. 1. Missing build tools. Python itself doesn't inherently build wheels. It needs extra tools. On Windows, you typically need Visual Studio build tools. For macOS, you'll likely need Xcode command line tools. On Linux, it depends on your distribution, but you'll often need a package manager like apt, Debian Ubuntu, or yum DNF, Fedora/RHEL/CentOS, to install Build Essential or similar packages. This provides compilers, like GCC or Clang, and linkers that Python needs to compile the Pyarrow code. Without these tools, Python can't build Pyarrow's wheels. 2. Incompatible dependencies. Pyarrow relies on other libraries. If these dependencies are missing or of the wrong version, the build process fails. This includes libraries like OpenSSL, zlib, and others. Ensure you have up-to-date versions of these dependencies. Sometimes, using your system's package manager to upgrade them is the easiest way to ensure compatibility. 3. Incorrect installation method. Trying to install Pyarrow with pip install Pyarrow. Upgrade might fail if it has trouble building the wheels. You might have better luck installing from a pre-built wheel if one is available for your system. Check the Pyarrow website or PyPI to see if there's a wheel specifically for your operating system and Python version. Consider trying pip install, no build isolation Pyarrow, which might solve some dependency issues. 4. Insufficient permissions. Sometimes your user account lacks the necessary permissions to install packages or write to certain directories. Try using sudo pip install Pyarrow on Linux, macOS, or running your command prompt as an administrator on Windows. However, be cautious using sudo as excessive use could introduce security risks. 5. Firewall or antivirus interference. Rarely, a firewall or antivirus program can block the processes required for building the wheels. Temporarily disabling them and re-enabling them after the installation could solve this, but ensure you re-enable your security software. 6. Python version. Compatibility. Make sure your Python version is compatible with the version of Pyarrow you're trying to install. Check Pyarrow's documentation for compatibility information. Using a virtual environment is a recommended practice to isolate project dependencies and avoid conflicts. 7. Cleaning up. If you've previously tried installing Pyarrow unsuccessfully, old build artifacts could cause problems. Try running pip cache purge to clean the pip cache, followed by deleting any existing Pyarrow installation directory before attempting the installation again. Remember to always consult the official Pyarrow documentation for the most up-to-date troubleshooting advice and instructions. By addressing these points methodically, you should be able to resolve the could not build wheels for Pyarrow error and successfully install the library.